Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we will be creating bubble text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, take the text tool, write any name. I will be writing my name. Align it to the center. Change the text. I will be changing the style to copper black. Like this. Right click on here and click on create outlines. Now give it a color. I will be giving it a yellow color. And I will be giving the color code in the description of the video. Now go to effect, click on 3D materials and click on inflate. So here I have the portal. Now go around and click on this inflate both sides and increase the perspective. Now in here lightning, click on this. So that is how we can create a bubble text effect in Adobe Illustrator. If you like the video, hit on the like button and subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Have a very lovely day.